Good morning. Hope you guys all had a good start to your week. So here's today's update. Remember, if you have not submitted either your interviews and emailed your pictures to me, if you were on the right side on the screen, or submitted a screenshot, those are due by the end of today. You guys will get late grades if those are not done because we got stuff we got to get done. So please get those in. Here are your new assignments. If you're on the left side of this page over here, Tyler, Tori, Faith, Christine, Jen, Sway, Jalen, Bailey, Colson, KK, and Wyatt, you have a page to do. So these will be due Friday. Same thing as last time. You'll submit a screenshot of your page when you are finished. If you're on the right side of the page, you're going to work with these individual people to interview and get information for their page. So message back and forth with them. I kind of have you guys opposite of one another. So Tyler, you're doing the beta, junior beta page. Mook is going to get you information for that. So, Mook, you'll be responsible for actually submitting that information on the page. Tori, your Chick-fil-A and Excel. Taylor is helping you. Faith, your National Honor Society and National Junior Honor Society. Kayla's working with you. All of those pictures are uploaded now. Beta and junior beta, that is Mrs. Flowers is kind of in charge of that. So that's who you'd want to contact to get some information. Maybe interview a member of the club. Tyler, you could look at pictures and see who's in there. Maybe tell Mook that. Tori, Chick-fil-A and Excel, that's Mr. Champion, Mrs. Robertson type people. So Taylor, you know that, all that. So that shouldn't be too hard for you. Faith, NHS, Faith and Kayla, NHS and NJHS are Miss Trigg and Miss Baldati, I believe. So those are the people you want to reach out to. Moving on, for wrestling, wrestling is on the way to being started. It is not finished by any means. So Jake, you're going to work with Christine to get a little bit more information. Christine, if you are struggling and we can't get enough interviews for the bottom, let me know, but we do need to at least get something for that top circle. Jake's going to help you with that. Jen, you are doing chapels, and Sway, you are doing remote learning. Sway, I don't have any stuff yet, but I'm praying by the end of tonight that's going to be in. If it's not in, that won't be your fault. Just build a layout if you need to. I know you won't leave me hanging. Jen, all the chapel pictures are uploaded. You have tons to pick from. Hallie, you're actually going to work with both of them. There's hopefully this remote learning stuff is going to come in because all of you were in charge of that. You can kind of help Jen with whatever she needs for chapel. It's probably just one interview for something. Next, we have Jalen, who is doing varsity cheer. Kalia, you're going to help her with interviews and information for that. All of those pictures are uploaded. Bailey, you're doing Miss UC. I'm going to finish uploading those pictures today. Kayada, you're going to work with Bailey to help get her information for that. Colson, you were doing 8th grade. Yes, Jalen is in my class. Colson, you were doing 8th grade. That page already has the interviews. All you have to do is pop pictures in the bottom. Don't resize the pictures. Just drag and drop them in the little hole that's already there. You just need 8th graders there. I think some of them are already done, so you just have to finish it. Do the best you can to find students that are actually in the 8th grade. KK, you're doing varsity girls basketball. You know all there is to know about that team, so I didn't give you a helper. I think you got that one on your own. And Wyatt, you're just finishing up varsity boys basketball. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And make sure you submit today's stuff today, and then this stuff is all due on Friday. And I'll give y'all another update as soon as I can. Bye.